Today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product. This product is coming out on Wednesday, June 19th at 11 a.m. The product is called Affiliate Accelerator. And this product will teach you how you can bank anywhere from $100, $200, $300, even up to $500 in as little as 15 minutes of work per day. You can instantly unlock the secrets that have helped affiliate marketers go from zero to hundreds daily in record time. Now, Affiliate Accelerator is a product that was developed by Billy Darr. That Billy Darr is a super affiliate who has done this for many, many years. So if you ever want to learn how to do something, the best place to learn it is from somebody who's already done it. And this gentleman has already done it numerous times. So what do you get with Affiliate Accelerator? Exactly what is it? Well, it's a premium affiliated marketing course. It's got 4 modules with training designed to help you actually succeed. This is a no BS course. It's complete with checklists, worksheets, case studies, which are very, very valuable, action steps, and question and answer calls, and more. This software is very beginner friendly, and it's extremely simple to implement. If you're a beginner, you've never done this before, you just need to follow the steps. It's so easy that you can be up and running within 60 minutes. And this is brand new stuff. This is not rehashed stuff from 2012. This is brand new stuff. You will be getting some free buyer traffic methods as well. Buyer traffic is good because free buyer traffic is good because any profit is 100% profit. You have no advertising costs. You can also ethically steal their 3-figure-a-day secrets. They have done 3-figure-a-days and 4-figure-days just all the time, and you can get the secrets and you can start doing the same. It's a proven copy and paste method that works, so you don't have to do a whole lot. Basically, you have to know how to copy and paste. The program comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. I don't know when I've ever seen that before for any product in the affiliate marketing area, but they give you a whole year to ask for a return if for some reason you don't like the product. And you should be able to figure that out within 365 days. And here's another guarantee. If you can't get results, they'll send you $200. Nobody makes a guarantee like that. Here's some proof you can check out. You can see that they make money on a daily basis. And here's what you get. Prices and upsells. Here's the upfront product, and here are all the upsells. Now, the upfront product costs all of $17.95 today. This is when it starts. And the front-end product has 20 step-by-step videos that will show you everything you need to know to build a profitable affiliate business. It includes setup, list building, traffic strategy, monetizing your list, email sequences, which are very important. You'll make most of your money using your email sequences, templates, action steps, and many, many more things. That's all for $17.95. The first upsell is called Affiliate Accelerator Automated Edition. And this contains a special software that lets everybody create bonus pages and simple little PDFs embedded with their affiliate links, which they can share on social media in one click. Or you can use those as lead magnets to build yourself a email list, and you'll be using your own unique lead magnets. You won't be rehashing some PLR stuff that everybody and his brother is using. Upsell number 2 is Affiliate Accelerator Traffic Edition. This is $47. This upgrade gives you the best selling traffic apps that allow syndication of your video, text, and images to 13 different social sites for massive free traffic. Everybody is on social sites. If you can get your message in front of them, you will get a lot of traffic. The upsell number 3 is the Affiliate Accelerator 1K edition. This will show you how you can potentially scale up to earn $1,000 a day and get more traffic strategies that are taught inside. And $1,000 a day is $365,000 in income in a year. That costs $97. Upsell number 4 is the Affiliate Accelerator License Edition. This is really important. It gives you the right to sell any of the products in their funnel, in this entire funnel, including all these upsells, and you can keep 100% of the profits. You can even rebrand the software with your own logo and take credit for it. And that costs you all of $47. That is a steal. Then upsell number 5 is the Affiliate Accelerator Diamond Edition. Here, you are going to get a custom funnel set up for you. They set up the whole funnel on your behalf, your account, so you can build a list, you can make money. Everything is done for you, $197. Now, this vendor has also included a number of their own bonuses. There are 8 of them altogether. You have the 1K a day online training. You'll be invited to an exclusive customer-only training call where you can learn how to make up to $1,000 a day. You are going to be taught in bonus number 2 some free buyer traffic methods with a buyer traffic app that they will give you. In bonus number 3, you're going to get a case study, how they earn $13,000 in 6 days. These case studies are invaluable because basically you're going to be looking over the shoulder of somebody who's done exactly what you want to do. And the best way to learn is to learn it from somebody who's already done it successfully. Bonus number 6, you'll have direct access to Billy Darr in a Facebook private mastermind group. And Billy Darr is the developer of this software, and he's a super affiliate with many, many successes under his belt. Bonus number 7, you get a $100 discount on upgrade number 1, the first upgrade in the list that we just went over. You can qualify for a discount to get that right away. Bonus number 8, now it says bonus number 6, that's an error, is a closed-door Q&A session where you can get live help and support to make sure you're doing everything correctly. Those are the vendor bonuses. Now, here is the exclusive bonuses that will come to anybody who buys through my link. And these bonuses are my bonuses. You will not find them anywhere. And they're exclusive to directly to the people who buy through my link. So the first bonus is going to be a passive income case study, how this guy makes $7,200 a month. And he's got 5 ways to do it completely passive. Now, passive income means you do the work once and you keep getting paid over and over and over again. Passive income is really the goal of all this. Bonus number 2, how to make over $29K in under 30 days with 5 passive income methods. You're going to learn some more passive income methods. Passive income is the key. You want to earn passive income because you can earn that while you sleep, while you're on the beach, or while you're traveling around the world. And then finally, bonus number 3 is how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're a beginner, and I imagine many people who buy this software will be beginners, although it's perfectly suitable for advanced marketers as well, but the bonus here will show you how to start making money right away with affiliate marketing, even if you're a beginner. So in order to get a copy of exclusive copy of Affiliate Accelerator, just click on this button below or any other buttons on the page, or you can go into the description below this video and you can click on the link there as well and get your very own copy today.